Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Jellyfin on a Samsung Smart TV quickly and start using it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Samsung TV. Afterwards, you need to press the home button on your remote. Now you need to open the apps section and go for the search icon. In the search icon in your Samsung TV, you just have to search for Jellyfin. When you are able to find its application, you just have to simply click on that. Then click on the option of install. Once it is installed successfully, you just have to open Jellyfin from your apps list. Now on your TV screen, Jellyfin is going to ask you for a server address. Now this is important because Jellyfin works with your own media server. So you must already have Jellyfin set up on a PC, laptop or NAS on the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your phone or a computer, you need to open your Jellyfin server dashboard and check the server IP address. You need to enter that address on your Samsung TV and then connect it. So once it is connected, you need to sign in into your Jellyfin username and password. After that, your media library will load and you can start watching your movies, your shows or your videos directly on the Samsung TV. Now, if you don't find Jellyfin in Samsung applications, don't worry, you can still use Jellyfin by opening the web browser app on Samsung TV and accessing your Jellyfin web player. Another easy option is to use screencasting from your phone. So that's how you can install Jellyfin on Samsung TV. You can simply search for it in the apps, then install it, connect to your Jellyfin server and start streaming your own media. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.